you're building a hot rod from scratch.
So on this week's episode, we're going to go up to Speedtech Performance and finally pick up our suspension. Then we're going to head out to California and get the body, and then back to the shop to get this project underway. And then lastly, we get to open up our GM Connect and Cruise and see what this thing's all about. There it is.
Bold letters.
Oh yeah, see how much cooler their Camaros look than ours?
Yeah.
We came to the right place. Well, I get this one, right?
No.
Oh, shit. Well, I take the red one anyway, because we got a 69 we're working on.
Hey
here.
guys.
Hey, what's going on?
Blake Foster, President of Speedtech Performance.
Hi, Blake. Jason Aker. Nice to meet you.
Tony, how's it going?
Here to pick up my car.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
That's the one you want?
That's the one.
You're sure?
Well, I'll take all four.
Yeah, exactly. I'd take any of the above.
Sure, we can work it out somehow, some way.
Well, we got a stock 69. It
Yeah.
needs a lot of love to make it look really cool.
Yeah,
And we've seen what you guys do, and we really, really like this. And this is what our car needs.
Yeah, no, it's we've seen the pictures of it, and it looks like it could use a little bit of help. It looks like a nice car, but it's gonna be pretty crazy when it's done.
Hey, I'm all about that, because I know how much Tony is not a fan of restorations, even though I am. I've been converted a little bit now.
Yeah.
Because once you've driven one of these,
Oh yeah.
You don't want to go back. Yeah.
Yeah, you can't go back.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can't ever go back. Right
Sure.
on. Well, let's go inside. It's hot out here. We'll
yeah.
show you around.
yeah,
Go for it.
Come
let's
on.
do it. Oh, man.
So if you come on in here, I'll show you
Wow.
the production facility. We've got, chassis that are all ready to be shipped out in stock. Bunch of
That's pretty
subframes, subframes and stuff.
This is serious business.
Oh yeah.
You guys are pumping them out.
Yeah, it's a growing concern, that's for sure.
Wow.
This is our welding department. So
Look at that.
we've got, this is our day shift welding.
Yeah, so ours is, you've got a couple of versions for the 69?
Yeah, so we've got two different versions of subframes for the 69 Camaro. One rear suspension. One is our Pro Touring subframe, which is the one that you guys are going to get.
Yes.
And one is our next level up, which is our extreme subframe that we use for autocross and road race and
Oh, wow.
and street cruising too. But
Wow.
just a different level.
Different level, yeah.
level of performance.
Wow.
If you want to go look at the machine shop. So back here is our machine shop. So we've
yeah.
got 5 CNC machines, a 7-axis,
Wow.
two mills, 2 lathes, CNC tube bender, and a couple of manual machines that we do all the manufacturing on.
Look at that.
Lightweight stuff or what?
It's our new lightweight control arm.
That's
I love
fabulous.
it if it would work.
Actually, this is kind of a new thing for us. We bought a large format 3D printer.
Okay.
Wow.
And so we actually design the part and then print it so that we can save time in the manufacturing process.
Well, this doesn't look like for a Camaro though.
No, this is actually a brand new C10.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at that.
C10 truck bolt-on stuff.
Nice.
So, you want to go check out your subframe?
Absolutely. Yeah, I'm getting excited
Yeah.
seeing all this.
All right. So we decided to set it all up for you so we could kind of point some of it out and let you guys have a good look at it before you load it in the truck. But
Yeah.
this is it. So this is our Pro Touring first gen Camaro Nova subframe.
Wow. See, I wasn't excited really at all about that car till now. Now things are really starting to come together.
Yes.
Yeah, right
sure.
on.
You get the idea of what it's going to be, and the stance of the car is going to change.
Oh yeah.
And man, now it's going to be a lot of fun to drive on top of that.
So this is our torque arm rear suspension. Super easy install. One bracket gets welded in. I mean, you guys should be able to install this in a couple of days and get
is
it
awesome.
off aligned and away you go.
Man, this is a killer setup.
Yeah.
I like that engraving.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Look how clean it is.
Yeah.
Golly.
Yeah. Dude,
So
I mean,
this full adjustable coilover front
Oh yeah.
suspension.
Yeah. This is as clean as it'll ever be.
and 95% bolt-on. I mean, this is
Dude.
Yeah.
as easy as we could ask for.
We're getting coilovers too?
Yeah. Coilovers.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Rack and pinion steering.
Like Christmas in the middle of summer.
And you guys are putting an LS in it from GM.
Yep.
So that'll be
Yep.
a really nice package. It's going to be a really nice driving car. You're going to love it.
Yep. I think we got our lunch driver for the next few months.
I think we'll have to test it out.
Yeah,
I think you
exactly.
will.
Yeah,
Might
for
have
sure.
to drive back up here and see you once we have it all together.
That'd be cool. That'd be cool.
As far as looks anything like what you have outside,
I'm
we'll
sure
be
it will.
gold, man.
I'm sure it will. The
Yeah.
quality
Right.
you guys do.
oh man.
It's gonna look great.
Well, let's
Well,
load this
cool.
sucker up.
Yeah, I
dude.
guess we got
Should we load it up?
We got a long
Yeah.
drive home,
You do
so
a long drive home. Let's
yeah,
get
let
it
me go
loaded
grab
up
the
for
truck. So we just got back from Speedtech and we brought back our Pro Touring track time suspension. Now we're gonna head to Dynacorn to pick up the body for the project. Well, we finally made it
Good, because my butt is tired.
all the way to Camarillo, California, the headquarters for Dynacorn, and our much anticipated 69 Camaro body that we ordered.
You don't have to sandblast it.
This is always a positive.
Some days.
What's up, James?
How you doing?
Good.
Good seeing you.
Jason? This is Tony. Yeah.
Welcome to Dynacorn.
Man, you guys got
already inside for you guys.
a heck of an operation.
A little over 100,000 square feet right here.
Yeah?
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah,
Just
it's
a little,
small shop.
little mom and pop operation.
Yeah, a little
Yeah.
pump pop.
Well, come on. I'm ready to see it.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We've been waiting
time,
7
get
hours.
Okay.
Yeah, I bet it's a long drive. So this is our California operation. Like I said, we got about 100,000 square foot warehouse here. We have approximately 70,000 square foot here in Pennsylvania. Parts right here you see are for the core door frame assembly for the GTO. We got pretty much everything you could do to build any kind of GM or Ford muscle car. So this is where they do the assemblies for the body shells that we build in-house here. We got the Mustang and the Challenger they're working on right now. And
Mustang.
here's your 69 Camaro you guys are gonna be taking home with you today.
Oh, see, now this is what you've been waiting for.
See, I don't have to work so hard. Thank you very much.
This thing's actually already mini tub for you guys, so you can put them big meats under the back.
Oh, yeah.
It's got the heater delete set up there, so when you guys put your whatever AC unit you want to run in there, you can go right through the firewall. I'm gonna keep you guys busy for a few months.
Yeah, a couple. But you killed about 3 weeks for me.
Yes.
You know, no rust repair. You know, no sandblasting. It's
No mini tub in it.
no mini tubbing.
No filling a firewall.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's awesome.
I like that.
All right, let's head out. You guys can take the PCH on the way home.
Well, look at that. You
Wow.
already did all the work for us.
Dude, I like you, James.
James?
Hey, customer service at Dynacorn. Get you guys on the road fast, get you home. You know, it's a long trip home.
It's always,
Driving.
I don't know. That's a good call.
Rochambeau?
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Every
I ran. It's a nice meeting, James. Thank
appreciate
you so
very much.
Have a good
We'll
one.
bring the car back when we're done. Let you see it. All right.
Take it easy.
Take it easy. Thank you. So we're headed over to a local company, Bear Brakes. Now, they've been in business since 1994, and they've been building these custom brake kits for anything from race cars to resto mods to restorations. And our friend Rick Elam over there is going to give us a walkthrough of the entire facility, where it starts from bare aluminum all the way up to the product that we get at home. Now, they're really excited about our 69 Camaro just like we are, so they want to jump into this project. We're going to get a 6-piston setup for our car. And I can tell you what, Craig's gonna have a lot of fun in that car, and he's gonna have plenty of stopping power. Hey, Rick, what's going on?
Hey, good to see you.
Thanks for meeting us.
No problem, come on in. So basically this is our showroom. A lot of the stuff you're gonna see here is product we would build and use for SEMA to display some of our products. You see a wide variety of different colors and systems. A lot of this stuff is all parts we build in-house.
Oh, awesome.
So we try to pride ourselves in building as much of this stuff in-house. All the powder's done right here.
Oh, wow.
The only thing we don't really do is anodizing or polishing.
Okay, yeah.
But you can see some of the different reds. We do a lot of custom colors.
Oh, see, and I like this a lot. I know for the Camaro that we're doing, you guys are making us a black batch, correct? Six piston setup with red Bear on it.
With Red Bear logo, yeah.
Yeah, that'll be awesome. Yeah, definitely the Barrett Jackson colors, and that'll make Craig happy.
Yeah. What we found a long time ago is that the brake industry is a lot like the wheel industry. People want to personalize and customize the brake systems.
Yeah.
So with our logos, we machine all these in the caliper. We hand paint the logos. We can even paint them different colors and everything.
Oh, wow, yeah.
So
that's
as you
why
can
they
see,
are so classy.
With the Kings of Color thing, we try to focus on really customizing it per application.
Yeah, and I didn't realize you guys had so many different versions now. So many options.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, because it used to be pretty basic, yellow, red, or black.
Yep. Yeah, it started pretty much with red, then it was red, black, and silver is what we did. I think on the website right now we do about 35 different colors, but we've probably done almost 200.
Wow, which is fabulous.
Yeah, we'll do anything pretty much anybody wants in terms of finishes.
Well, like you said, you guys do a lot for SEMA, and being a car builder myself, you see so many different varieties of vehicles that need special, unique setups. So, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, we've been doing this since '94.
Wow.
And that's pretty much what we started with, was a Fox Mustang we ran World Challenge with.
Oh, okay.
This is the car we actually raced with. And at the time, nobody was doing brake systems for domestic muscle cars. So we started outfitting bigger brakes for, Mustangs in particular, put ads in magazines, and here we are. Wow. So here's basically all finished inventory.
Okay.
You'll see a lot of rotor hats and hubs and brackets. Right now, we do about 1,000 different rotor hats and different brackets. So you can see over here a lot of our finished hub assemblies.
Yep.
What we found is we tend to do less of them now because a lot of the pro touring market is hub packs and late model spindles.
Okay.
But we still do all the hubs ourselves. The interesting thing with our hub assemblies too is we basically build them as assemblies. So when you get them, studs are already installed, bearings and races are already installed, it's packed with redline synthetic grease ready to install in the car.
Yeah.
So a lot of the other people that will do brakes, they basically give you a box full of parts you need to assemble yourself.
Yeah.
We don't do it that way.
Well, and I'll tell you, as a builder, that saves us a ton of time.
Yeah.
Because, again, that's a clean process where you don't want anything getting in the grease. And if that's something that, we don't have to insert the studs, do those things, it saves us a lot of time that we need.
For sure. That's always our motto. We want to be able to basically take as much of the work out of the end user's hands. So we can actually peek over here. The carts are individual sales orders, so you'll see a wide variety of different rotor diameters. You'll see a wide variety of different finishes. Here's actually a black caliper with the red logo like we did for the build that you guys had. So this is all shipping and receiving. It's warehousing of pads and rotors.
Yep.
What we found over the last couple of years is the machine shops basically taking over our warehouse.
Oh, yeah.
So that's some of the new stuff you'll end up seeing. We just added a new horizontal CNC machine with a pallet system. But this will basically hold 12 individual pallets, so we could load this machine and basically have it run lights out.
Oh, wow. It is crazy what the capabilities now. And of course, the number of systems that you guys are kicking out, you got to keep on top of it all the time.
And just the sheer amount of different applications. And nowadays you run into different spindles and aftermarket chassis and all kinds of stuff.
I can't tell you how excited we are to have these brakes on our Camaro, because we are just getting to that initial setup stage where we are mocking everything up and we're starting to put our suspension together. So we should, in the next couple of days, see what it looks like.
Very cool. Yeah. So now we're going to the machine shop. You can see here are some actual forgings. So your calipers would come out of these pieces right here.
Oh, okay.
These are all forged in the United States also. These are made in California.
Oh, awesome. Man, we talk about a lot of it too, pallet upon pallet.
Yeah.
They cut and etch whatever company name or whatever you want in the outside, modify it any way you want.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then you can see over here the different bracket machines. We do all kinds of different stuff with these.
Yeah.
And this one's actually loaded right here to do the 6-piston we did on your car.
Oh, okay. Yep.
So this holds 8 pallets. We load them with calipers. Same idea. We can run this lights out, basically.
Yeah. It's amazing the level that you guys are at for mass production, and then hands-on after they come out of the machines to finalize everything. And again, built in the USA, which is a big deal for us, And, we try to do that as much as possible. Rick, thank you again. This is it's amazing to see it from the bare material all the way
all the way through. Yeah.
It's awesome, and super excited again to see our brake system on that Camaro.
Yeah, we're excited too.
So we've had this project sitting around the shop, and we are finally getting started on the 69 Camaro for our own road tours here at Barrett Jackson.
Very cool.
Now, with this project, a lot of planning went into it, and then COVID kind of stalled everything out, but all of our sponsors have jumped in and really given us a lot of amazing parts, starting with the motor in this box. GM Performance, LS3, Connect and Cruise.
Very cool.
You know what, let's just pull the top off.
All right.
Quick.
Never been opened.
Now, this is the first time we've had it open at all. Oh, yeah.
Right on.
Okay, so not only do we have that amazing power plant, we've got a T56 Tremec as well.
Let me see that, baby.
To pair up.
That's a beast.
Yeah. So this car is going to do whatever we want to do.
Yeah, you're never going to break that. Matter
Then, now that we have the power plant, Speedtech put together a Pro Touring track time suspension setup, which is just amazing right? Holding power, cornering, all the things that Craig wants to do in this car on the road tour.
For sure.
Barrett Brakes hooked us up with the 14-inch setup for the whole car. The control arms with Speedtech as well.
The size of these things.
Dude, they look massive for 14s.
Huge.
Golly. Yeah. So the key element for us, obviously starting a new project, is have everything on the ground already. So we are lucky enough that we have everything, to my knowledge, that we need to build the entire subframe and really start looking at what the body's gonna look like.
I think we can get that whole front set up and
Yeah.
you know, all the suspension done in pretty much a front subframe roller.
Okay, let's do it. Let's get into it. So I know we've been all over the place, but we finally have everything we need to start the Camaro project. We went up to Speedtech Performance and picked up the suspension. Then we went out to Dynacorn, got the body, and then Barrett Brakes here in town to get the brakes, unpackaged the Connect and Cruise from GM. We've got everything, so make sure you stay tuned to see what happens next week.